This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Rahul Chatterjee. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that Assam's freedom fighters had given their lives in 1942 for independence. He was speaking after launching the Asom Mala program in Dhekiajuli of Sonitpur district in Assam yesterday. The program is aimed at boosting road infrastructure and contributing to economic progress and improving connectivity. Prime Minister Modi also laid the foundation stones of medical colleges and hospitals in Biswanath and Charaideo at a cost of over 1,100 crore rupees, with an aim to boost Assam's health infrastructure. Meghalaya Government has offered a rebate of 2 rupees per litre from the tax component of the retail sale price of petrol and diesel. The decision came following a review meeting chaired by Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong informed that the government took the decision to maintain price differential with neighbouring Assam and offer relief to state consumers. He further urged the Meghalaya Joint Action Committee of Commercial Vehicles Association to withdraw their indefinite strike immediately. The Centre has asked states and union territories to exponentially increase the pace of vaccination against COVID-19. In a review meeting with the state health secretaries and National Health Mission MDs, Health Secretary Rajesh Bhushan asked them to improve the momentum and accelerate the coverage as the country moves forward with the vaccination drive. He said there is substantial scope for improvement in the number of average vaccinations per vaccination session. More than 57,75,000 frontline health workers have been administered COVID-19 vaccine in the country so far. Meanwhile, the country's COVID-19 recovery rate improved to 97.19%, while the active cases comprise only 1.37% of the total positive cases. Meghalaya reported 40 new COVID-19 cases yesterday, with 5 more recoveries, surging the number of recovered cases to 13,601. The Directorate of Health Services informed that the number of active cases in Meghalaya has gone up to 137, while the number of deaths stands at 147. The total number of confirmed COVID-19 cases in Meghalaya has reached 13,885. Meanwhile, 6,859 healthcare workers have been inoculated with Covishield vaccines across Meghalaya, as per the latest report received from the Health and Family Welfare Department. In Nagaland, 10 fresh cases of COVID-19 positive were reported yesterday, taking the total to 12,158. The new cases were detected in Kohima district. The recovered cases in the state remained at 11,826, while the number of active cases was 95. In Manipur, 9 persons, including 3 personnel from Central Armed Police Force, were confirmed as new COVID-19 positive cases yesterday. Also, 18 persons were discharged from hospitals and the recovery rate is 98.37%. Another COVID-19 infected patient expired, taking the fatality count to 373. So far, Manipur has recorded recovered and discharged cases of 28,654, while the number of positive cases is 29,126. The number of active cases is 99. On the other hand, 8,256 persons, including 155 frontline workers, have been vaccinated with Covishield since the vaccination campaign was launched on the 16th of last month. In Mizoram, a total of 10,937 health workers have been vaccinated so far with the first dose of COVID-19 vaccine. According to the officials, the first dose of vaccination will be complete by the 20th of this month, as per the guideline of the Union Health Ministry. Meanwhile, the total caseload of active patients dropped down to 23 in Nagaland yesterday. Also, the recovery rate has improved to 99.29%. And the annual pilgrimage to Lom Sopit Beneng at Unyam in Ribhoi district of Meghalaya concluded yesterday with the marking of lime on the boulder at the arched entrance at the foothill. Thousands of people from all over Khasi Jaintia Hills adhering to the indigenous tribal faith Senkhasi thronged the sacred Lom Sopit Beneng atop the 1,344-meter high peak. They offered their obeisance to God with traditional rituals and rites, dances and songs. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.